I'm Maryann and I've had a full mouth reconstruction.
My name is Dentin Bruning, and I've had a full mouth reconstruction done by Dr. Mike.
I just had not really good teeth. They weren't broken, but then I had to pull some because they got infected. And
It has been a very smooth journey working through Dr. Mike on all of his procedures, and with the work that he's done, he's led me through step by step so that there's been no surprises. He's tried to save my teeth as long as he can, and if it comes to a point where it's no longer could save one, and then we go to the option for an implant.
Maryann and Dentin Bruning, they're a couple I've met when I first started practicing dentistry. When we first saw them, they had multiple dental issues, and through the course of treating them, we've really restored their entire mouth. But one of the best things that I feel that we've done for them is change their life by being able to do same-day restorations, same-day crowns, same-day implant crowns.
all my work that have been done has made me feel more confident, and everybody compliments me on my teeth constantly.
The experience with the implants has been very, very good. We've had, like I said, I've had about 5 implants in my mouth, and once he puts in the implant and it has healed up, I no longer know which ones are implants and which one are my teeth. They're just very natural.
What that has done for them, it's really solved one of their concerns when they've had previous dentists that have done temporary crowns, and they've had issues with temporaries falling off, and their time is very valuable to them. And so they truly appreciate us being able to give them a service in the same day, not having to come back.
You can't expect a better team, that's for sure here. And if you're not comfortable here, you're not going to be comfortable anywhere else.
We would like to thank Dr. Mike and his team for just the wonderful work that they've done, the follow-up care that they've done. We are always getting callbacks, and we just couldn't be more appreciative for all of the work that Mike has given us and his team has given us.